Hi, greetings from my part of the world. My name is Maryjacob Okwuosa, and I am reaching you from my favorite part of the universe, I guess. So this is the amazing Whisper Space, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak in this amazing event of yours. So what does e-culture mean to me? The world has gone digital, and culture from my very earliest days of life have been said to be the way of life of people. Now it is our life, our reality, our culture, our originality, our identity, and all of the amazing things that make us us getting into the tech space. That is what it means to me. For so many generations, we have watched the world walk and move from the days we were born to the present day, and we are only imagining what is happening with the tech and the AI features coming into play. But the most exciting part is knowing that me, you, and every one of us interested in sustaining our culture and being loud about the things we think that matter, connecting to Mother Earth, having reusable materials, wood, bamboos, kernel shells, and fronds like I have all around me right now. Having things like this become part of our connection, our healing process, our spirituality, even in the tech and e-space. My vision for the future is a future where we are as intrigued about our home, our roots, our realities, the earth that we breathe, the sustenance of Mother Earth, as intrigued as we are about the growth of technology and the technological space. My vision for it is that we keep telling our stories, we keep rewriting history, owning our stories, connecting with our ancestors, and being able to see the roadmap for the future, connecting what is into the digital world that we all are in now. Thank you again for the opportunity. This is me signing out from Nigeria, and shout out to my amazing team of Whisper to Humanity for co-creating this magic, and shout out to all of you for all the magic that you do.